sing you a special song, but I need you to stand up for me, please.
Oh.
Alright, you're gonna be a big strong gorilla for me.
Gorilla.
See you, please. And please don't stop, okay? And you help me with your claps, guys. Cha-cha on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, look at that big tiger. Oh, there's a tiger. Oh. Look at what is. Jacob, you got to get wet. No. Jacob, you got to get wet. Ah!
Texas City, Buc-ee's. Our first stop before Galveston.
Take a picture. Cheese. Thank you. Sticker, baby. Bye. Thank you.
It's a pretty big Buc-ee's. This Buc-ee's, it's not like the size of San Antonio, but, I mean, Luling, Texas, but it's a good size.
The big.
Still a big Buc-ee's.
It's a beautiful day today.
Welcome back in another video in Jacob and Abby's family channel. Ready for us?
Oh, you see
Yay!
Buc-ee's? Ready to eat that rainbow?
Yeah. I can see my pocket.
Oh, you have pockets.
This food looks already good.
Okay, let's go.
No.
Let's go, baby.
Oh, my name is up there.
Jacob.
My name.
Joshua.
Look. Lily. Guys, we monkey store. Look.
Yeah, there's a little monkey. Monkey store.
Yeah. Mom,
Oh, nice.
there's a luncher. Over there. It's on my back.
Really?
Yeah. And maybe like five.
Look, Daddy.
What a gorilla and a orangutan.
Oh, remember that in the movie?
Yeah.
The Planet of the Apes?
Yeah. Oh my gosh!
What's
Baby. This was Caesar. Mom, this
that's
one's
Caesar? No, that's not Caesar. Look,
Ah!
it's different.
Like and subscribe if you like red pandas.
Oh, so cute. Look, baby.
You got a lemur on you.
Oh my goodness.
So there's the awesome appetizer. Oh no, I know what I want.
Look, it's a lasagna.
Huh?
Look, this lasagna.
Oh, you wanted the shrimp.
You baby. Want some ketchup?
Guys, I have 2 burgers. Ketchup!
Two?
Yes.
My goodness. You eating 2 cheeseburgers too?
Ketchup!
Look at that.
Now, it's time to take a bite.
Yummy. Oh my goodness, the birthday boy.
Yeah.
Oh my. I want to try that.
You want to try it? All right, I'll share.
Okay. This is mine.
Birthday gentleman.
The irresistible pasta.
Irresistible.
It's spicy and very, very flavorful.
Flavorful, yeah. Yeah, I want some of that too.
Okay, let's share. So we're going to eat right now.
We're gonna eat, enjoy.
It's a green fiber. Lights are going out. It's like a ball.
Guys, wait, girls. How do we get back?
I don't know.
Hello. How do we get back to mommy and daddy? Get ready. Ooh. So much steam. Ooh. Okay, we found them.
Okay, now. We're gonna celebrate your birthday today. We have a tradition in here and we want to sing you a special song, but I need you to stand up for me, please.
Oh.
Alright, you're gonna be a big strong gorilla for me.
Gorilla.
And please don't stop, okay? And you help me with your claps, guys. Cha-cha on 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday from all of us today. So special, baby. Hope you have a super fun and cha-cha with the cake. So happy birthday from the first cafe. Hey!
Thank you. Blow.
Me?
Yes, it's your birthday.
Me?
Yeah, it's your birthday. Yeah.
Okay.
Blow it. You wish for $1 million. Yeah.
What?
Now you know.
Okay, let's enjoy. I'll go with Daddy, baby. Aaliyah.
Come on, baby, come on.
We're in the actual cave. Jacob, come on!
Jacob.
I got a little adventures.
Oh my
Adventurers.
goodness. Roar.
Oh.
Ready?
Are you ready? Woo!
Oh, look at that.
Oh my God! What?
Oh.
Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Look at that! Look at spider! Do you see that spider?
Oh, you see that lizard?
Whoa!
Jacob, there's a jaguar right behind you. Aaliyah, look behind you, Billy. Attacking that jaguar. He shot him some darts to put him asleep.
They don't fix that.
The daddy works like this.
here's a mosquito.
Oh, look out.
Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Elephant! Baby, picture, picture. Jacob, picture. Yay! Yeah! Whoa, look at that big tiger! Oh, there's a tiger! Look at what is! Jacob! You got to get wet! Jacob, you got to get wet! Jacob! 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 Whoa!
I got wet.
Wow, look at that! Throw water, Jacob! Wow, the desert!
Look at the booty. That's what they call treasure.
Oh!
Yeah.
Yay!
Look. Yep. They're like adventurers from Indiana Jones.
Oh!
Alright, girls. What is this place?
Where's this place? We have to escape! We have to escape!
We go this way?
Guys, it's like Indiana Jones. The ball is coming. We need to go.
Go.
Go! Run!
Ah, Mom, it's gonna get you.
Oh my gosh. What?
We made it.
Yay, we made it to the exit.
My sunglasses.
Whoa, that's a gorilla.
His name is King Kong.
Oh. Ocean, girl.
You see the ocean?
Look at that.
Aliyah, let's see the ocean. You want to go more closer?
Yeah.
So let's go.
Alright, let's go.